Introducing BIMIL's new add-in, Finder. Without Finder, you had to open the floor plan to check grid, room, and area. Now, let's click the Finder button. You can see everything in one click: grid, level, room, and area. If you don't need the space or zone info, just uncheck them in settings. You can choose to see only what you need. Click the button to copy that row's info and paste it anywhere. By the way, you can set up shortcuts easily. Now you can use the shortcut without restarting Revit. Let's start using Finder in action. Here are some useful details you can check. Level is split into reference level and geometry level. Even if it's cut off in 3D view, ref level shows the reference, and geo level shows more precise information. In HVAC plan, you can check duct information. Other MEP elements can be checked the same way. It's not perfect yet, but with your feedback, we can build a better Finder together.